magnesium oxide. In the transition state, this volatility became less and less noticeable, and today we have almost all chemical composition, almost all magnesium oxide within these limits. But finally, raw brucite is produced. What we should do next? Next stage is the flame retardant production, equiparent production. Milling and classifying is just stage for this material to be born as a final flame retardant. At our plant in small city Vyazma in Russia, we have a plant which produces this flame retardant. It's brand new, but still developing both in production and research and development area. Milling and classification, quality control in the laboratory are just main stages of production flame retardant. In plants, we also have to produce plant in Rotterdam with the same philosophy. Also on this simplified scheme you can see the main stages of flame retardant production on this plant. There are two main hearts of production at plant. The first one is milling, the ball mill, and classification, the classifier. The milling is in the mill we are micronizing produced raw brucite to desired state of powder, and in classification stage we separate resulted powder on different fractions. When different fractions are already obtained, they comes through quality control in the chemical laboratory. Many samples, many analyses, and the remaining poor material is rejected, while is rejected immediately, while good chemical content, the material with good chemical content is remaining. There is a question of final product consistency. As flame retardant, just a component of main component of cable compound, it imparts mostly to performance of this compound, simply just because it's the biggest part of this compound. Quality of fillers is a decisive factor for polymer compound performance both in fire and mechanical. Quality of final flame retardants is not just limited by chemistry itself. There are some additional parameters like grain size distribution, whiteness, moisture content, which you should also control on the production. Just to make the product predictable in quality and consistent. As I already said, that this additional new parameter like grain size distribution, moisture content, final product whiteness, you should control. And grain size, for example, is responsible for particle size within powder. Moisture is should be kept as minimum as possible because it's provides adverse effect in final cable compound, making it bubbling during production. Whiteness is responsible for the color of final cable goods. Behavior of flame retardant in cable compound and final cable is the subject of our next research and next report on the conference next year. All the statistics we decided